It's been a month since back-to-school season kicked off, and if you're still on the hunt for a school laptop or reliable work machine, then you're in the right place. Today, we're doing a quick rundown on the best deals we found online. We're talking laptops under 30K, and some of them offer surprisingly solid specs for the price. Just a heads up though, this is just a general overview of what's currently available in this price range. We still recommend doing your own research to see if a particular laptop fits your needs and budget. What's a good deal for one may not be ideal for another. So ultimately, the choice is always yours, okay? But with that out of the way, I'm your host CJ, and let's dive right in. First on the list is the MSI Modern 15, and as the name suggests, it's a 15.6-inch laptop with full HD resolution IPS LCD, which is a 60Hz panel. Powering this laptop is an AMD Ryzen 5 7030U with 60 cores and 12-thread CPU configuration, which is then paired with an AMD Radeon GPU. What's really good about it, in fact, this also applies to the next two entries on this list, is that it comes with 16GB of onboard RAM out of the box. It's not the fastest though, using only DDR4 RAM, but surely it's good enough for your productivity work. Storage-wise, it gets 512GB SSD, has a decent 39.3Wh battery, and comes with a 65W adapter. Notably, it comes with a backlit keyboard. The MSI Modern 15 is available for around 27,000 pesos via MSI official Shopee store. Next, we have yet another 15-inch machine, simply called the HP Laptop 15. Just like the previous entry, this one sports a 15.6-inch Full HD display, and interestingly, it's an anti-glare panel, at least according to this online listing. Under the hood, it runs on the AMD Ryzen 5 7520U CPU, with AMD Radeon graphics. The RAM is also 16GB in capacity and uses a faster LPDDR5 memory. The SSD storage, however, is half the capacity at just 256GB. Good thing it has a fast USB-C port with a bandwidth speed of 5GB per second, good enough for an external storage drive. Software-wise, it also ships with Windows 11 Home, and take note, a free Microsoft Office Home and Student 2021 suite of apps. The HP Laptop 15 goes for 29,995 pesos via a third-party seller. If you don't mind the branding, then the Chewy Corebook X is a compelling choice in this price range. It has a 14-inch screen that boasts a 2K resolution, offering more detail than the full HD panel. Plus, it's also an IPS display already. The laptop is equipped with a 12th Gen Intel Core i5 with a CPU configuration of 8 cores and 12 threads. For GPU, it has an Intel UHD graphics. And for memory and storage, it's got 16GB DDR4 onboard RAM and a 512GB SSD. For software, it also gets Windows 11 Home. The Chewy Corebook X is priced at 27,995 pesos from the same third-party seller. Coming up next, we have the Lenovo IdeaPad 1, which is yet another 15.6-inch laptop, also rocking Full HD resolution. It's powered by an AMD Ryzen 5 7520U CPU and AMD Radeon graphics. While the RAM capacity is only 8GB, the onboard SSD storage goes for 512GB. The laptop also runs Windows 11 Home and packs a 42Wh battery with 65W adapter included in the box. The Lenovo IdeaPad is currently priced at 28,995 pesos. Then we have the Acer Aspire Go 14 running on the same processor as before, the AMD Ryzen 7520U with AMD Radeon graphics. It's a 14-inch laptop with WUXGA screen resolution that uses 8GB LPDDR5 RAM and 512GB of SSD storage. As expected, Windows 11 Home powers the laptop, and it comes with a 50Wh battery bundled with 45W AC adapter. The Acer Aspire Go 14 sets you back 26,099 pesos. Now, if you want a sleeker laptop that is lightweight and slim, then the next one might pique your interest. The Huawei MateBook D14 and D16. Yes, you heard that right. Both versions are currently selling for under 30K. Turning our attention to the MateBook D14, it's a 14-inch laptop that weighs just 1.39 kilograms and measures 15.9mm thick. It's equipped with a 12th Gen Intel Core i5, Windows 11 out of the box, and comes with 8GB of RAM and 512GB SSD storage. Battery-wise, it's packed with a 56Wh unit paired with a 65Wh charging adapter. The MateBook D14 is available in Huawei's official Shopee store for 27,199 pesos. Meanwhile, the MateBook D16 pretty much comes with similar features except its size. It's a 16-inch laptop weighing 1.68 kilograms. It's also powered by a 12th Gen Intel Core i5 CPU, Windows 11, and has 8GB of RAM and 512GB as well. The battery is slightly bigger, rated at 70Wh with the same 65W adapter. The MateBook D16 is currently available for 29,999 pesos via Huawei's official Lazada store. And that finally wraps up this list. Are you planning to pick one up soon? Do you have any other laptop recommendations of your own? Let us know in the comment section below. If you find this content helpful and informative, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon, get notified of our future uploads. Follow us on the socials and visit wikitech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this has been CJ, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye! See you later!